If your Google Nest Doorbell Battery or wired version is not ringing inside when someone presses the button, let's see the most common causes and how to fix them.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
This doorbell will stop chiming when the battery drops below 18% or when the temperature falls below -4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius to protect the battery. So first, let's remove the doorbell and mount it. And first, we recommend you to just go ahead and charge it until it's fully charged. If it's still not ringing, open the Google Home app and go to the live view. Don't worry about the camera, we have turned it off for privacy, but that's not the problem here. Just tap on the hamburger menu and make sure quiet time is not enabled. If it is, just tap on stop to disable it. So next we're gonna go to tap over the live view to the wheel icon to settings. If your doorbell is connected to any Google Home speakers or displays, make sure visitor announcements is turned on. If you're using the wired version with an existing indoor chime, open chime settings and make sure the chime is enabled. For electronic chimes, you can also increase the chime duration so the indoor chime has enough time to play the ring properly. And that's how you can solve any ringing problem on a Google Nest
Someone's at
Doorbell.
the front door doorbell.
See you at the next one.